Assalamu alaikum. So in this video we will learn how to authenticate user with Google account. So let's start from Android Studio. Now go to pubspec.yml and import some packages for Google sign in. For Google sign in, let's copy and paste here. Click the pub-get. Now also we use Firebase core plugin. Now paste here and click the pub-get, and the last package is Firebase Auth. So let's copy and add in pubspec.yml. So go to main and import package material . Here we use runf. Now use material app. And so pulse the debug show banner and use home property. And now let's create a stateless widget, my app. So let's run the application. Now here use body property. So in body we use Flutter widget. Now here we use one button. So for Google sign in, sign in with Google. Now let's run the application. Let's see. So let's go to the Firebase. I already added my Flutter project to the Firebase. If your Flutter application is not added to the Firebase, so check my previous videos for Firebase setup. Now here we will go to the authentication and get started. So here we will use Google. So enable, and here we will give the email and save it. Now go to the Flutter Android Studio, and here let's click on Android, and here we will click on Flutter and click the open Android module in Android Studio. So here we will use next window. So here we will wait for import the Gradle. And here also click the done. Now after a few minutes it will import all the Gradle files and updating the indexes. So here we will go to the Gradle and Android task, and here we will go to Android. So click the sign in report. It will create a SHA key for us. so it will take some time. so it will create a SHA-1 key. So let's copy the SHA key from here. So here we will go to project setting, and here we will add the fingerprint. Here we will paste the SHA-1 key and save. Now go to Android Studio and also close the Android module. Now here we will use async, and also we will use try catch block for exception. Now here we will use async and initialize the Firebase. And also we will use widget binding, Flutter binding that ensure initialize. Here we will use await keyword. Now here we will define some variable, final Google equal to Google sign in. Now here we will create a Google sign in account and use user variable. Now here we will create another variable, Google method equal to await Google.sign-in. Now here we will use user equal to Google method. So here we will create another variable called auth and use await keyword. So Google method dot authentication. Now use another variable credential equal to Google auth provider dot credential. So here we will use access token, auth.access token, and ID token, auth.id token. Here we will use null operator. Now here we will use await keyword and use Firebase auth.sign-in.instant.sign-in with credential. So here we will use the credential variable dot when complete. So it will show me the user email not to string, use null operator, and also user.display name, and also the porto URL. So let's restart the application. So if I click the Google sign in button, so it will show me the dialog. So click the sign in button, so it will sign in the user and show the user email, username and photo URL. So also check in the Firebase authentication, so go to authentication and check. Here we will sign in with Google, so the provider is Google, so it's my email password. So currently I have no picture. So thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel Code with Ibad.